WaterStop easily connects to any water supply with a standard 3/4-inch garden hose fitting. BluTechnology's Quick Connect may also be used to make connections easier. Relieve the water line pressure by pressing the blue button on your BluTechnology shutoff valve. If you do not have a shutoff valve with pressure relief, you can turn on an interior faucet to relieve the pressure. Next, disconnect the inlet hose from the water inlet and reconnect it to the inlet side of the WaterStop. Be sure WaterStop is located within 5 feet of a power outlet. There are arrows on the unit's housing that indicate the direction water should flow. Inlet is the left side as you're facing the LED screen. Next, use a second garden hose to connect to the WaterStop outlet side to the water inlet of the RV. Now attach the power cord to WaterStop and plug it into a 110 power supply. WaterStop comes with 1 leak sensor probe but can support up to 7 leak sensor probes at a time. To begin pairing, press the menu button 5 times quickly in a row. The menu light on the WaterStop will stay on and a flashing light on the leak sensor indicates that the unit is now ready to pair. Then, place the leak sensor probe into a small puddle of water. This completes the circuit for pairing. The WaterStop will beep. Wait 60 seconds for the leak sensor to stop flashing before finishing or attempting to pair another leak sensor. The leak sensor and WaterStop are now paired. Once paired, you can now place the leak sensor probe in the area of your RV most prone to leaks. For example, the wet bay, under the sink, or near the toilet. To pair the remote, press the menu button on the WaterStop unit 5 times. The menu indicator light on the unit will flash indicating the unit is now ready to pair. Press either the open lock or close lock buttons on the remote to pair. Once pairing is successful, the light on the unit will stay on. The remote and WaterStop are now paired. If WaterStop ever displays an E1 or E2 message, press and hold the menu and open buttons down for 3 seconds to clear the error. This will simply restore the unit to its default setting. Once clear, the user may need to go through the pairing process again.